Hey guys, welcome to today's crypto market outlook, in which we're going to be discussing where Bitcoin, Ripple or XRP and Ethereum are heading next. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to begin with Bitcoin, what are we currently seeing? Well, we're currently seeing the pullback as expected from this major key level at around 37,350. So currently making a pullback, which is perfectly normal. As we can see, we're currently situated within this 1 hour uptrend with a high and a higher high, a low and a higher low. So I'm now anticipating that there is going to be a new higher low formed, which will then, or from where we will then see a trend continuation further towards the upside. So looking at the 4 hour on Bitcoin, what we can see is currently that we created a new obvious higher high, which was also very visible on the 1 hour. And which is making Bitcoin looking pretty good to move further towards the upside. The only thing that we need to start seeing today is really some nice new higher low to be formed in order to make that next leg towards the upside. So what we can currently see is that we are situated at this area of support. So this is also an area of demand within the market, which I'm looking at. So I do expect price to impulse further to the upside from this fib level. However, wouldn't be surprised if we just dip in a little bit lower, maybe towards that 618, maybe dip in even lower towards that 786 before then moving further towards the upside. So yeah, bullish on Bitcoin today, looking good, looking for some potential entry positions to then go long and to trade it back up towards the 40k region. So yeah, with Bitcoin discussed, let's head over to Ethereum. And Ethereum is looking sexy today. As we can see, we made that beautiful retracement back down towards that 618 level and back in towards this demand level with a retest of the descending trend line during yesterday. So I went long from there, hit my target once we met this area of supply at around 27.12. So currently Ethereum is making its pullback back down towards the downside, which is perfectly normal. We have this obvious area of support where I would like to see price dip into before looking for any potential new long positions. So bullish on Ethereum, as we can see, beautiful structure. So we have the low, the higher low, the high, and then a new higher high. So now currently waiting to get in on the new higher low. So yeah, let's just quickly look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is currently rejecting this area, which is perfectly normal, as I just said. A pullback towards the 24.78 region would be very nice to then look for longs once again. And from there onwards, I do expect a new push back towards 3k. So yep, that's Ethereum. Let's head over to our last coin, which is XRP. And XRP, to be honest, also looking pretty good. The only difference with Ethereum is that XRP hasn't made that obvious new higher high. So at the beginning of the week, I did mention that this was a high. However, if we just look at the significance of the highs, this is the high that we want to break, right? That $1 region is really the region that we want to see a clear push out and away from. So at the moment, we are rejecting that level of resistance, which is not that big of a problem because it's mainly due to the decline within the price of Bitcoin. So currently just waiting for a nice pullback towards that 618 region. This blue zone over here at around 90 cents is my buying region. So from there onwards, I will be looking for potential longs. So I'm currently still within a long position, took some partials once we met this area of resistance, currently set to break even. And for now, just waiting until we dip back down lower, back in towards the 90 cents region, before then once again looking for longs back into 1.12. So yeah, markets are looking pretty good. Let's see, New York is just going to give us a pullback, I think, just a little bit lower. Going to look for some potential entries on XRP and Ethereum. Bitcoin, less interested in. I really like what's going on with XRP and Ethereum. So yeah, let's have a look what today the markets are going to give us. Everybody good luck and speak to you all soon.